We are very happy to announce that today, the 30th of June, the temporary shelter at Mayor's Walk, Dales Park, is officially closed. In total, during the past few days, we have been able to process more than 7,000 people of Malawian origin, and all of them have now left with 114 buses that really assisted us. We'd like to take this opportunity then, first of all, to thank the community on this road for the patience they have shown. We know that this is one area in the city that is always peaceful, very quiet, but the disturbance that the people have enjoyed over the past week, we are really very sorry. But this was humanitarian work. We had to do something. Otherwise, we don't know what would have happened to these more than 7,000 people from Malawi. But over and above that, let me also take the opportunity to thank all the stakeholders from the humanitarian organizations who were with us from day one, feeding these people, giving them blankets and all other necessities, to the law enforcement agencies, all of them combined. Of course, that will include all other government departments, without really going into the list, all government departments. And let me take this opportunity to thank all municipal staff, from the municipal manager to everybody who has been involved throughout the past few days here on Dales Park. We know very well that they spent more time than they used with their families just for humanitarian work. Thank you so much. Let us assure the community that now that the site is officially closed, the cleanup campaign now is starting. Our teams will work overnight to ensure that in the next 2 or 3 days this place is spick and span. That's a commitment we are making to our people. And once again, thank you, City of Choice, for ensuring that whilst people were here illegally, but we were a very good host. We hope they will talk about us when they get to their places.